they witnessed extraordinary behavior as the Mapojos embarked on a devastating quest for territory. The perfect habitat for lions. And it's here.
There was a lot of running around. There was fighting around the Land Rovers. At one stage, I thought one female was going to go over the top of our Land Rover to try and get away from the males.
In all instances where the Mapojos started killing cubs.
Over the next year, the six led by Makulu, the five brothers, Pretty Boy, Scar, Rasta, Kinky Tail and Mr. T were about to embark on a reign of terror. Finally, the Mapojos had taken over a significant territory of their own. A foothold from which to expand with their newfound dominance and confidence. The Mapojos were finally ready to take over their first territory.